And the Twene Jonas, the king of all women, also no go kwapa on tiasie. I say adentin na ho kire brewe mu. Ghana ye nyina yesa. Ye ntimi to analysis worker. Teachers ye ntimi to omuka. Omo we kutif ye ntimi for be sika nu hono. Na ho kire brewe mu. NDC government led by Mahama Ato $60 million and 125 million euros. Ekototo private jet any other. The Twene one tiasie. Wabe blasting Mahama any NDC for no. Enye fe dia agro. Mema nchiri mu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess what say need you. Obe like video no that my voice subscribe button snap back the benefication conflict updates snap back chire wadwen dia amame. Ewo comment section. Mess obaso. No share for so enya bi ahwe. You know, na Akufo ni MP for etia kunya ne so no. The then defense minister allege say Ghana we need, you know, soldiers aircraft. Yeah, soldiers aircraft abraboama soldier adwuma no betimi atum pon aircraft behwe because bibia ni a ye issue aircraft na pa o betimi duru honmo nanka aboama oman na ho bambo sem no atomu, you know, awiemu die ana fe ye man panyin ko be hia jet obetutu kwan ade ko de honmo no ayeda da sheda enyina yesa ye hia wofro that time no our black be condemn mo ye
serve notice that we on the NDC side in parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose. As President George Weah has told us in our faces, it's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then defense minister, who is now national security minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing.
You know, Sami Jamfi ebe solid na ye.
I want to submit very forcefully that the decision by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia MPP government to buy a new presidential jet is a misplaced priority and will amount to a waste of the public purse if allowed. The mere thought of it at this time is insensitive to the plight of the ordinary Ghanaian and an insult to our sensibilities. If President Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia cared about the sufferings of Ghanaians, they will not even think of buying a presidential jet at this time.
Uncle there, or yeah, many videos on that.
Ghana will be ya to ya de Ghana for $45 million. President Akufo-Addo turned in 2008. It be do Ghana 2010. A buy a monochian. One of the best presidential jets in Africa. Open African
which
leaders
has been used over the years.
And on President Mahama, they took one. President because omu baby omu free. So they always cut.
But that private jet or my president that tunnel, you had issues with it.
And what? And the entity man said because I my Ghana Japade. What you say? It President Mahama said new room for buy you need baby free. I don't know the two coin. And one of President Mills the other day, the two coin. Nana show boy they say munyanefe. Opedie dware wo mu a obetumi dware wo mu wiem. Opedie empake siesin king size bed obetumi adam. Opedie mamu massage.
I just say Ghana for you solidity I say there be massa. At the expense of this miserable economy, Akufo-Addo want to fly just say or say or live with luxurious life, lavish life. Ghana for anti say am I lambast Akufo-Addo government. Am I say omo etwa so omo anya anto bibia. But end is better na kunya nso no. Omo no mo blast obi say eni say wo yes na say as abe conversation who say no Mahama he needs a private jet just say we have presidential jet for and just na abeda ne I say I say baller suja ase edum ase so ase eka ase mu jai ema we say go pm Ghana parliament Ato Forson read the budget no e ho ene ba say ye better presidential jet any soldiers aircraft ema Ato Forson say jet na ba better no. On records, the jets will not have bathroom.
The aircraft referenced in the budget are not luxury aircraft. Mr. Speaker, I want to use this opportunity to assure this House that the aircraft, the helicopters and the aircraft that will be purchased by the Ghana Armed Forces will certainly not have a bathroom. there will be no bathroom in that aircraft. Mr. Speaker, it is not a luxury aircraft that will have a bathroom, and it's important I make that point.
The jets will not have bathroom. But anyway, I say government and parliament has approved $60 million. Say if I got a presidential jet, John Mahama Ato. As a jet I got on a day and be a buy. You got here a Falcon 6X 2025 model. Yeah, that Falcon 6X no 2025 yeah, and yeah that Falcon 6X. Asem Ato Forson guy is a private jet no jet I got on Mahama no any bathroom no say I true because Falcon 6X any.
Stepping on board the brand new Falcon 6X, introduced in 2025. It's designed for groups of up to 16 passengers. The cabin feels incredibly spacious. Every seat is fully adjustable and super comfortable. There's a large table, perfect for long journeys, and the jet can fly non-stop from London to Los Angeles or Dubai to Tokyo. The sofa converts into a full bed, and there's a new, modern bathroom built for comfort on long flights.
Na saa do we no ana twene say ahene ha say Mahama motam Ghana sika eliko grato pre abra school for omo ma wie training college atifie muntim for musi sika ni honomo that sika no saa $60 million no ye fa average teacher and average nurse almost salary sa ebetima employ 2,400 teachers. Now I employ 2,400 nurses. Now Tiomuka 5 solid years. At your time carry the Aqua top presidential jet. I'm Mahama Ese Omendem. And no, I'm not sure here or no Mahama Monya. You tell me I beg a Canadian pie and your Fediagro.
But it's at the BMW near 1,500 horsepower. And him say been to me my Ghana out here, but anyway, this is the United States. We go and chill. Anyway, yeah, start to warm up on that. Yeah, made it back. And kwasi afo no so John Mahama uni cha sere ko sa na dwuboja John Mahama kwasi ampanyi obi ahye wo map no Ghana fo ne NDC fo ni na ka chem se wo do kwasi apese wo sesa yesika over $60 million and the quarter private jet na aden na wa jimi sa tani kwasi ampanyi ni muti wo sorry etua sika ma Ghana fo and this for Jimmy for a demonstration all because of Saku Fuado Afro private jet and the Yesika Ko si Sewa Bruni Chem or to Sikanugu the Onoko High private jet Kekeno or to Gunadi ordinary Kwasi Ekota Besiwo Abetia aviation fee Atia insurance Atia service Atia maintenance Mumi on one enipa Munina Muya Mua John Mahama Okota private jet abra entmintia nurse for entmintia teacher for memo bia beku ye be ye oku ye na ku ni nye ya metua ska ma obi aku menim say bia nya no kra because rational human being bia ni wa ono onye skantia nurse for onye skantia teacher for na school for nkura nyina fail won amamuo so no ode ne kwase abetan se okoto private jet I believe luxury life unfi wa 10 ya boa ntafo ade ne magimisa manya post mukro mfo ntafo obre adwuma ni wonti o madane mmoa no muku omo oboko adan na unkosi factory o we aboa stupid man John Mahama memo obi abeku obi antwen kasa o Ghana o me ka no kra kire o so so wagimi adan wo uti abofom kwase a o man ya ye bre o man ya ye wo gold wo timber diamond manganese bauxite ye bre na odwan wa ba be sise sika ma o mantafo agimi fo de akototo card e show off makacho sise Jimmy sem no nyansa bia anim ade achinya ado kwase abetena say o be top private jet aba abetenam na kwase hwan na asoma akwantuo Jimmy kwase ampanyini hwan na asoma akwantuo na ntwie mu odwan ba hwan na asoma akwantuo. You think it's a joke? Ghana for na Jimmy no musuro ami anyama asem o akofo aro nkame kokuno na onu aja abone na maja no nti se wo be ba be ya me ba be ku obi antimi nkasa me the time beto so o meto private jet bia o yanimu ha adan na magimi sa enkra tukumasi accident yakum nipa no pa wi anwumre na odwan ya to abama adan na nkoye ka kwan ni ye se de be ya o de ka sisu a Ghana ketekiti we New York so say Ghana be ×5 wow. Enti se enye se mo yam moa me drive from I say Echo Jersey, Echo Delaware, Echo PA, ekofa ka ba anopa ya o ana omo frem say me ka na free Europe abelande me me fama de ma kofa ba New York within short time because kwan da so yo me ba no break adan na nwan wo se sika na unko buy car kwan num bagaya na wo ko Kumasi a wo tisu a wan na wakura nunu aduru Kumasi na aboa magana development ya adwuma car kwan say ye sumuta obi atimi froka obi kura betimi atena Kumasi no afroka anopa no aba adwuma onkran opan nwumira no afroka kofie but mo jimi ntinkran to Kumasi I be 1 hour say 30 minutes or 40 minutes drive oh kwa the 8 hours na eko because mo ya moa enti John Mahama person wu a koto private jet si say sika poto private jet ubewu kwa ya be first wu die bebire me ba be ku obi antimi kasa ogana wa be kan bia bia wo so be to aso me do be we kwa samando na wa kokuta John Mahama bag wa samando because we ya bua aden majimi obi a share no kura no aden na majimi ndisi fo adan na majimi why ya na mabana ke wo se mo ye o maye no mu di sika ni nyina live luxury life adan muti opposition 8 years mo anwu abruwa na ne fi mo be sign document ye de ya mesa kufuado da yam fro private jet da ade chi na mo ne kwase ade ni tena private jet muti opposition no nko abro chire nko sa ne ho ya de ofro private jet o wi da bi adan na majimi nti opportunity kakra manya nti mo sei bibia mo tuskanagu private jet use no me ti am wa private jet a day sika wo be bono ka wo be twia no enya asem ketewa sometimes kwatola manu sam kotoy because aviation fee insurance because esiwana jatoma say insurance be toma nti sika be twia ma insurance every month no enya asem ketewa e che de wo ka utia insurance no na no na monthly de so na kwasia wunya nko baby be 6 months and 3 months na ka ade ni si wo nom sika wajimi abra wodo kwasia betena se John Mahama na ntwie se owura fia wodo kwasia ni okujato abra kwa aboa no betena se sign document mo ban de obia be fro business class emwe mo ban de obia be fro business class enwan na John Mahama buana sanka si so say ni minister bi obefro first class crew obeyina di look at Inyan say who expect say mo make say mo beto private jet and punching ma say who expect say NDC for mo beto private jet who me na me catch am mo jimi na me bopa ma obi kuma ama na ya mo amu fort nti mo amu di na chama jimi amu ntimi to no fo no Ghana na ye to abamo anye odia o meye de ope o ba do kwasia awia san kofa mansa ma unua Ibrahim Mahama eno kura nka metima ma obi abeku won oni Ibrahim Mahama ni nyina sima wi o maya japade ma wia san kofa ma wia Ghana Bauxite Limited ena munkwa selfish mutu gold normal ede ma mo hone mo mantafo nkwasiafo na om de bi ye boxing na om de bi $10 million ka $17 million ka mo de ko gold board aba mfaso obi amaso muntimi ntua tichafo ka muntimi ntua obi aka ena nkure wo Ghana nyina feli enti ni nyina ye dinyenye mo hwe mo se masa jimi se mo se kweswa isika akoto private jet jama ma jimi o wan ka cho se ye to aba man se brabe ye ebe live luxury life ye to aba man se wo sa $60 million o se say no are koto jet no fa kosi 24-hour economy si factory kwasia no na enim se we ho campaign kwasia ka se o me ba me music ekoto private jet anka vote ba kokura obenya odwan me na ntwie unfiu at John Mahama stupid man o ga se sa na aka ya anka benya vote on na ntwie jimi wo se o ba bebi adwuma afa mabunu na o manya adwuma ye na kufu ado asisi nipa ache kwasia sa na aka ye ntu nim na se o de kwasia me nim se bia ntro na ade kwasi akoto jet bia obewu obekwa asamando kwa mefa so akun die bebre soja fo egu e unti omuka omu frem da bia eno asma mo musika ombebo otu akun nobody guys no ye ba ma o masaranda omu si omu nsaranda na eku omu so afra because nipa mienu miensa mo ho afiafi mo ntafo agime fo omu nti oman ni nyina mere adan magimi Ghana ketiketi ye wo gold timber manganese bauxite aluminium ye wo bibia adan magimi emwa na muguo de bia na Jimmy na me wo $200 million me dey akọ supply pad abasi en fan hye nkura atwem ba me hu nyansa ntie teacher for ka ma mu nkotreze enkyere nkura na de ma nkura ne mpase na in the history of amamuo unko amamuo nkura mu tro wasi nyina feli unhu se wa Jimmy core mass kra obi afeli the whole Ghana aden the core mass is the most easiest mathematics ever. Me, I did science, me elective maths. And core maths was the easiest. I never learned core maths in school because I had the amateur 100%. And I always learn the elective maths because that goes into deep calculus grabbing core maths. Algebraic expression crown core maths. Huh? And why call mass there they will find x, find y, and one find coefficient of z, and one make y the subject, and one na from crying so Omanya teacher ni amana nkochiro ma there because your mama you trying your mama strike. So time cannot crash your mama. Say mutis wu ami ana mama obi akukuno. Meto private jet na mem ontina Ghana ho enidi abra wonko a Jimmy force ayeku abetimi dis kana koye o man ye me kan okra kire me ka kire enye joke, it's not a joke. Odobro ni kwase abakura ku daddy lumba anyam na makofa ahye woni an Georgia obi anware odobro ni wo wi aseda madane ne yire George kwase abadane odobro ni yire John Mahama kwase ampanyini yeso ni akufu adnam kodi kwase abasa an man George abra ni panic yase onya FM so obi aye and the doors to cry in the interview 2024 on ne kasa daddy lumba o mas ayu omo say I o mas say o si o me yiri ya ba ko me yiri ni akosi asewa wa ko gina platform ni birthday ase me yiri akosi asewa matisika aye ne ho ade ama ware no ontimi ni me bone da no odobro ni gina hobi nanimo wan kase me first wife ni me second wife ni ana me ex ni na me o se ne yire ya ba ko pe ono ane akosi asewa na nipa na wu ni nua ba ma ni nua ba ni wofa ese odobro ni anya yiye na anke ye hu no wi aseda because oye made wolumba fie nti omu nim no but the way na ya yire George se me ya boa nti John Mahama George NDC ni George aboa NDC ni George aboa fa kwase akoyi ma me na di neja Jimmy no John Mahama kwase anya sa ye di obi kokoto a obeka se asem o nkodi no nipa ne kwaje bribe ma me na Jimmy no be affect ada George sini ni obi abedwi se NDC George sini na ya akronfo ye moa ti ma fam Jimmy akoyi na di ame hu ye ni ma wo be oni ye ma mo kwase afo stupid people kwase ame meti ase me nua bi o wi ase bia me ni yere na me ni baby mama na me ni side chick enti wa wunna na ma begina court wo ka che o se asimasi na ya yire we di onya yire a o si wa Jimmy wa kwaji skanti ai mabom de na to agu Jimmy nipa ni nua na twotwo mutwo ka che na odobro ni ya ware no ntimi ntwa picture ma aboa me nkura asefo a mo dom koko ase o mo ware 2012 2010 o mo hu pictures bebrebe o videos egu cassette so satam na CD kura no ma wi ase adan na okosi ase wan kwa video aye ware no na ehun video na mabontia odobro ni oni bakokura oni picture oni obi ani wo betima bebodua ase na medino odobro ni aware ase ebi ni wi ase because obi anware no da bi ma Jimmy to the sense now government of Ghana mua deny say I do not recognize the German certificate because of bottom sika wajinti menye Germany marriage certificate ni uni chasere John Mahama fa kwase akoyi abaya na di Jimmy na mo se san kwase afo kogu ona obo se afa Germany aban so bu afu ayin se Ghana mu ntontro marriage certificate mo de ba yen so yenye asia Ghana afu mu amunyina mo ya akronfo no menim bogafo bebre wa asia mo de Ghana marriage certificate na di abre broni America ni no agi atomo nu ama o mu green card akofo mo ma ene o mo yire free Ghana ba because or recognize Ghana marriage certificate na o join marriage certificate a daddy lumba ba Germany ni deport no no ote Ghana na kosi ase wade abe ware daddy lumba me na free Ghana amu akwa citizen wo Germany na odo kwasi akwaje bribe say ababa wa no mkofa no 2014 se 13 ebe ye made ofi ono ena ye yire modam no area de Jimmy. Shout out to Papa Shi. Why are there Papa Shi? Everybody needs Papa Shi in their life. We are very, very grateful man. Why are there? What you say? Time only lumbe bre. Akosia say one na ena maya o mabayo baby anyone who we sika o be ba be produce ye ya ka kwantum. O patonyum se den oba bibini ba minim no. Umomu sika no oba beje wanya bi amana obekọ na be ma foforo butuso. Nti se akosia sewa eye adwuma fa awomu abroche di sika koma be ma se ji produce nyom no wa ya de wa ye marvelous job papa ya ye we la to se ma wu awie no makram mamu re mfi akosia sewa da oni odobroni kwase abai na ma oye medi nyina na o release nyom anya nyom ba kokura ma odobroni se owu a ye mfa ne kan we bia ho adan no magimi na John Mahama kwasi empanyini etwebeku nu akwasa nkwasi afo a unqualified people nma ye omo judges no mugu na chimi na amenya mene akosia sewa mene akosia sewa ga akosia sewa me Ghana ni bia nkode ma me na kwanto akoboni dua judge no aboni dua se o si aware akosi odobroni na obi asu nim si enware no escan maje no abodua no anto asese omunyina kwa asemando simple obedi adansi krumu a obekwa asemando obi anware nipa no daddy luma na da bi ogina platforms no yire ba akopɛ ono ani akosi asewa emfa ne madodo awa wo ni nyina omo ne omo awo keke na nwan anti John Mahama ayi ni die hiame private jet ni hiame ukota obewu mento ukota obewu mi ametua ho ka minim ba bi awda o ma che pusoja form di wachi na me kra ne omo mfili me na mo musika no ma beku anadwo wawu akwasia osaman na befro play no na ma be mampanyini memeku ame amebe na so me ho mampanyini wa ye beton ye the play ni ura de be kwa koma no nti uni man tempa fa kwasia fa na de koma no na saji na jisika no kotu ya chichafo ne nurse fo ne ka no wai wo ya bo akura dodo na wi akobi adwuma ma maburu no ma wiewie school gufi amfa so obi ani omso no wo nipa no wanya adwuma ya onkobokro no wanya adwuma ya onkofro kaso oko libia ko fanso so ko magime do don faso obi ani mo so asia nipa omanya aye bre akofo ado agimi sa this kind of private jet na nwan mo mra amonso magimi sa ye de apart from say for private jet ye say koto jet foforo jama magimi on wasiafo oya obi pa NDC ni bi po magimi na wo ayi no Sam George kwasi empanyini kraman no eslo a Ghana card registration na wie enti woni twaba asere ko sa na dwoboja o ba o so ba betwa tum kwasi aka ko so na twanum na ja jimi se ye ba betue sika foforo nko ye card registration apoa wo ye MTN officer wo ye Airtel Tigo officer wo ye Vodafone officer and now ye government sim registration eye da ye wadwuma kwasia adan na kufu ado mo bone omudi no eno abi na mo repeat adan magimi o Ghana adwuma problems ebrebe o manum no untimi rectify ba ko na nko solve da bi ye mewie sika ye mewie nipa to be start na unso the card aba obi ametua 5 million and register card for that da na nya adwuma na masa abeji Ghana for na omuni adwuma ye no mabeji omunyina sika because one man me register card na untimi enkonko yu sika o mobile money one me register card na because Jimmy ba ko na MPP for Jimmy ayempe no eno na mu nwan kraman mama ba mo to aso enyan enkramai ma me tretem physical wo be Jimmy bia NDC ni bi be Jimmy amemo bia wo de sika ekunu na obi ahunsemani abere enye joke. It's not a joke anymore because MPP mejimi na NDC for mejimi na yetim ba bi yetim adan bibini su ye nipa kwase abroni aye ne kro fefa aye nyina ye beguma aye hwato. Isn't this incredible? Why can't bibini also do something like that? Anyway, grass and kwa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Chira wadwe mame ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media. I crap.